going to the open market in Bastille. I'd like to find to get some veggies for the upcoming week. Maybe to find some eggs and I don't know, we'll see what I can find. And afterwards I will go to the supermarket too, as I need to get some groceries too. And I'm going to take you along. Today I'm not going to cook. In fact, yes, I'm going to cook this morning, but not for me, for a person who is sick. And this afternoon I need to work because I have a meeting on Tuesday I have to prep. So I won't have the time, and I want to have a walk this afternoon. I'd like to meet a friend to have a walk. So I'm going to take you along and I'm going to show you what I eat and my meals during the day. So with no cooking, and so we are going to go back to the breakfast because I've already had my breakfast, obviously, and so I'm going to show you what I had, and I will see you after for lunch. Hello, good morning. Today we are Sunday and it's a beautiful day outside, and I'm in a hurry because I'd like to go to the market, and I need to run some errands so this morning. And I have a lot of things planned for the day, so it's the reason why I made myself this very simple breakfast I'm going to show you. So I've got coffee, of course. I'm going to add some milk. I've got this Greek yogurt. No, it's not Greek yogurt, it's fromage blanc, which is a French specialty. It's like a yogurt but not fermented, and it's high protein. I'm going to add this leftover walnuts for crunchiness. I made myself these 2 slices of toast. For on one slice, I'm going to spread some butter, and on the other, I'm going to have it with maybe half of this cheese. It's a goat cheese, very soft, perfect for breakfast. And so, as I said, I'm going to have it with this bread, with some bread. And I think that's it. So I'm going to enjoy my breakfast and I will see you later. And now I'm going to run some errands at the supermarket because, as I said, I'm going to cook this morning for this person who is sick, and for the upcoming week, of course. I need some errands, I need some groceries too. For lunch, I'm going to prep this tuna. I'm going to make a very simple and easy meal because I'm running late, in fact. So I've already shown you some recipes with tuna, but it's not this one. This one, it's going to be like a salad niçoise, but no, because I don't have tomatoes, I don't have bell pepper. So it's going to be tuna with a piece of toast, and we are going to see with veggies. And you're going to think that I eat a lot of cans, because in my previous video I've shown a lot of cans, but in fact it's not true, but it happens. And today I need some convenience, so it's the reason why I'm going to have this. And in fact I don't like tuna, but it's the reason why I add a lot of sauces and ingredients to make it better. So I'm going to prep this, and I will show you my plate. I checked, but I don't have so much stuff in my fridge to go with the tuna. So I think I'm going to go ahead and make my sauce with my tuna salad with some harissa and some yogurt. I've already shown you this recipe, it's on my website. And I'm going to make a vinaigrette to go with the salad, and the tuna I'm going to put it onto the bread. Yeah, so I'm going to do this. This is my lunch and the final product, tuna salad. You can find this recipe on my website, easyfrenchdiet.com, with other recipes, but in fact I make this just with tuna, Greek yogurt. Today it was not Greek yogurt, it was fromage blanc, because it was what I had on hand. But in general it's Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons, and this sauce, which is harissa, which is a North African sauce. Very flavorful, very tasty, and a bit spicy, but not too much. So I'm going to spread some olive oil on top of the bread, and I'm going to add some the tuna salad. Yeah, I think I'm going to add some olive oil, because otherwise it could be dry. And I'm going to top with these chives I've just got from my balcony. And I made some vinaigrette to go with the salad. This regular homemade vinaigrette with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and some mustard. And I'm going to have this piece of cheese, this leftover from this morning, and an apple for dessert. And of course I've got some water. Yeah, so I'm going to have to eat this, and I will see you for coffee. Tonight for dinner, I wanted to try to cook in a skillet the quiche I've already shown you in a previous video because I don't want to cook, and the theme of the video is no cooking. So I'm going to mix everything and to throw this mixture into a skillet, and we'll see how it turns out. This is our dinner. I'm pretty happy with the result with the quiche. Of course, technically it's not a quiche, it's more an omelette. But it looks like a quiche, and the taste is pretty similar. So I didn't add any milk, of course, because as I was cooking it in the skillet, but it's the cream, the ricotta, the shredded Swiss cheese. I put eggs, of course, herbe de Provence, some ham, and some chives. And I mixed everything and threw this into the skillet, 5 minutes, and it was done. So pretty happy with this. I'm going to have this rillette, which is a kind of pâté. It's made with ham, and yes, it's just like meat. Little bit fattier, of course, but I like this. And I'm going to have this with a piece of bread. Of course, I got some water, and afterwards I'm going to have some comté and this leftover apple from the lunch. And I finished all my homemade vinaigrette. I topped my salad with it. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the quiche, new addition to my recipes, and I will see you in my next video. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé. À bientôt.